हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। द मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म ऑफ थ्री ट्रैवलिंग वेव्स आर गिवन बाय, और हमें तीन इक्वेशन दिए गए हैं y1, y2 और y3 के, जो तीनों वेव्स है। ठीक है, सो वी आर सपोज टू फाइंड विच ऑफ द वेव हैज द ग्रेटेस्ट वेव स्पीड एंड ग्रेटेस्ट मैक्सिमम ट्रांसवर्स स्ट्रिंग स्पीड। ठीक है, हाउ विल यू प्रोसीड ओवर हियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फॉर y1। ठीक है, सो for y1 the maximum wave speed can be given by omega by k. So that is 6 is our omega, value of k is 3. By comparing it with the equation, right, omega t minus kx वाली जगह इक्वेशन से we'll compare it over here and then we'll get the value over here as 2. यूनिट नहीं दिया गया है कुछ, so we'll just keep it as 2 units. ठीक है, similarly maximum transverse speed it can be given as omega a, that is 6 into 2. ठीक है, that is 12. ये हमें y1 के लिए मिल गया. Similarly let us calculate for y2. So for y2 wave speed omega by k, that is equal to, देखो यहाँ पे होगा 12/4, that is 3 units, and the transverse speed, maximum transverse speed, that will be equal to omega a, so 12 into 3, that is 36. Now let us calculate the same for wave 3 for equation 3 as well. So for y3 wave speed is equal to, that is omega by k, that is 11/5 over here, and transverse speed, it is omega a, that is 94 a हमारा कितना है 11 into 94. So as you can see over here, this value is much greater than compared to rest of the two. Okay, sorry, there's a minor correction over here. यहाँ पे I read it mistakenly 94, it is the value, given value is 4. ठीक है, so क्या होगा यहाँ पे 11 into 4, so that gives us the value as 44. correct? So if you compare all these three, यहाँ पे 12 है, यहाँ पे 36 है, यहाँ पे 44 है, 4. so y3 we have the maximum transverse speed. ठीक है, and wave speed की अगर बात करें, so 11/5, that is 2 point something. यहाँ पे y2 का हमारे पास wave speed 3 units है, और y1 का यहाँ पे है 2 units, right? So maximum wave speed is for y2 and maximum transfer speed is for y3. So we'll have a look at the options. So we'll start from the bracket. So यहाँ देखो option 4 में ही wave 2 has the greatest wave speed, which is correct, and wave 3 has the greatest maximum transfer string speed is also correct. So option D is our correct answer. So I hope you all have understood the concept. All the best.